That's a little better. I do not like this one fucking bit. The flashlight's shining really in front of me and I can't see jack diddly fucking squat. Okay. There we go. Found a combination that works. Sort of. Why even fucking do this? Hopefully that fucking thing isn't here. God damn it, why am I doing this? Go back inside, Sean. Go back fucking inside, Sean. Dude, legs. Move. Turn around. Yeah, turn around. Fuck this. Fuck this.